Over the years, I've interacted with hundreds of finance graduates and aspirants. Most have studied finance, but very few are truly prepared to work in the finance industry. The difference is not talent or effort, it is the quality of training and exposure. Finance today is evolving rapidly, driven by digital transformation, analytics, regulatory complexities, and fintech innovation. Employers expect graduates to understand markets, data, risk, and decision making from day one. This is the gap we consciously address at Vivekanand Business School. I'm Dr. Anju Aswani, Head of Banking and Finance Department at Vivekanand Business School, Mumbai. Our PGDM in Banking and Finance is designed with one clear objective: to build industry-ready finance professionals. At VBS, finance education goes far beyond textbooks. Students work with real market data, financial statements, valuation models, trading simulations, and industry-led projects. Every concept in corporate finance, banking, investment analysis, derivatives, portfolio management, fintech, and risk is reinforced through hands-on application. Modern finance is inseparable from analytics and intelligence systems. Our curriculum therefore embeds AI-enabled finance learning, including data-driven financial analysis, predictive risk assessment, intelligent dashboards, and technology-supported valuation frameworks. This ensures that our students are prepared for current and future finance roles. A defining strength of our PGDM is the 15:9 structure. The first 15 months focus on intensive academic and skill development. The following 9 months are dedicated to a corporate internship. This long duration industry immersion allows students to gain corporate exposure before their final placements. To strengthen professional credibility, every student undergoes a 5-day residential program at NISM. Students are also actively supported for NISM modules, MCX Commodity Derivative Certification, and IIBF Banking Certification. These credentials significantly enhance employability. At VBS, we strongly believe global exposure is essential for modern finance professionals. Every student receives international immersion at no additional cost as a part of the program. In addition, 25 meritorious students are selected for a 3-month international student exchange program. These students receive an international scholarship that covers travel, accommodation, food, and program fees. This global exposure builds international perspective, confidence, and professional maturity. Our students gain continuous industry exposure through internships, live projects, workshops, and expert interactions. Over the years, our finance students have worked and been recruited by organizations such as ICICI Bank, Deloitte, Nomura, Morgan Stanley, EY, PwC, KPMG, Accenture, Amazon, and several others. This reflects sustained industry trust in the VBS training ecosystem. Being located in Mumbai, which is India's financial capital, gives our students an unmatched access to banks, financial institutions, corporate headquarters, and fintech ecosystem. Learning at VBS extends far beyond the classroom. If you're serious about building a long-term career in banking, finance, capital market, fintech, or corporate finance, and you're looking for a program that combines academics, industry exposure, certifications, and global perspective, PGDM in Banking and Finance at Vivekanand Business School is designed for you. Admissions are now open, and we look forward to welcoming students who are ready to grow into confident and capable finance professionals.